Hello, my name is Dr. Jim Bell, and I'm a sports medicine, joint replacement, and trauma surgeon at Desert Orthopedic Center. I went to the University of Rochester, got a bachelor's degree in biology. I then went on to Penn State and got a master's in physiology as well as a Ph.D. in physiology. Then moved on to the University of Southern California and got my degree in medicine, then went on and got my orthopedic training at USC as well. After I completed that, I entered the United States Army. I was stationed in Germany for 4 years. I became lieutenant colonel and was eventually the chief of orthopedics at the Army Hospital in Würzburg, Germany. My practice involves patients of all ages, all maladies. I treat patients like I would like to be treated. And I like to get to know my patients and try to optimize their outcomes in whatever problem they have.